James out here at the Poor Farm. I'm gonna dig some holes. I haven't got my pipe or my water line to go to the little mini cabin yet, so I'm going to I got to dig seven holes for hydrants. I'm gonna try to start them with this trencher that I'm gonna dig the water line with, but I'm going to but the problem, I'm having a little issue. My pins on my skid steer here won't latch all the way down. They start in here where they're supposed to go, but they won't latch all the way down. So I'm going to have to either file a little bit or try to grind a little bit in here. It looks like I'm probably going to have to file because there's not enough room to get a grinder in there, I don't think. So it might be a long time before I get started, but I don't want to try to do it without it being pinned. I don't want it falling off. So never had that issue. I don't have that issue with anything else I have that has a quick attach. I'm not sure what the deal is. I tried to persuade it by tapping it a little bit with a sledgehammer, and that didn't work. So I'm gonna have to file, I guess. But that's what I figured. I'd try to break the crust off on the ground for each hydrant, and then I'm going to have to dig the rest by hand. Of course, I got to be 3 feet in Kansas to be below the frost line. But that's my goal for today anyway. Try to get as many holes dug as I can. Hopefully at least 2 maybe out of 7. But the last 2 I'm going to hold off on because I need a trench across the driveway where they need to put the new mini cabin. The one, as I showed you in another video, the mini cabin doesn't have the windows and door in the right spots. So they're going to build me a new one. Bring it, load this one up and haul it off. So anyway, that's my plan for today. So I was able to get a grinder in there barely. I had a bigger one, but I had a smaller grinder that had a smaller wheel, but the wheel was wore out and I couldn't get the stone off to put a new one on. I could get one side to go down, but not the other. So it was a constant back and forth. I'd put it back up on the truck bed, grind on a little bit, try again, grind on a little bit, try again. So as you can see in the video, I was talking, but the volume cut out on the video. So I'm doing a voice over, trying to remember what I said. I pre-film everything. We started out like a year filming before we actually started posting anything to YouTube. So basically, you know, I would grind a little bit. You know, I was just grinding a small bit at a time because I didn't want to make it loose. You know, make it. So I'd grind a little bit, try again, grind a little bit, and it ended up a long process. So here I took the 4 heifers that I wanted to breed that would be bred next year by the bull. I took them down to one of the west mow pastures that we usually mow, and put them down there by themselves, so I could let the bull out with the cows and the heifers that would be bred for the first time this year. I always try to feed them little cubes here and there throughout the summer, just to keep them where they'll follow me. So if I need to bring up to the house for whatever reason, they'll follow me all the way up there. Or I say house, up to the lots anyway. Here. You're watching The Poor Farm. If you like these videos, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.